Hello everyone, my name is Ashita Sinha. I am studying in class 9 and today you have joined me into another problem solving session of trigonometry. So shall we? I'll read out the question for you. If tan A equals root 2 minus 1, then show that sin A into cos A will equal to 1 by 2 root 2. How will we solve this? Let me show you. First of all, the first and foremost step, we'll note down the value of tan. What is the value of tan A? The value is root 2 minus 1 by 1. No denominator, that's why we are putting 1 here. Is that clear? Then the second important thing, we have to make the triangle A, B and C here. Okay, so formula of tan is perpendicular by base. A very important formula. All the trigonometric formulas should be clear. If you are not clear with them, please refer to my first video. I have told about all the formulas there and all the relations as well. Okay, until here it's clear. Now we are going to put the value here. Okay, perpendicular, in the place of perpendicular we'll put root 2 minus 1 and in the place of base we'll put 1. Okay, now how should we find this one? How? The Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras theorem? Tell it with me. AC whole square equals AB whole square plus BC whole square. It's a very important formula. Please remember it. I'm underlining it so that you know it's important. Okay, now we are going to put in the values. Do we know AC? No. So what are we going to denote it with? We are going to denote it with x. We are going to denote it with x. X square equals AB. What is AB? 1. 1 squared plus BC. What is BC? Root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now one thing here. This one. Can anyone tell me how are we going to solve this? Yes, this one will be solved using the algebraic identities. Algebraic identities everyone must have learnt until now. A minus B's whole square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB. Very important for this question. Remember all the formulas and learn to apply them. That's it. You will be set for the exam. Okay, we'll continue now. X square here, 1 squared is 1 plus, now follow the identity. Okay, A square, that means root 2 square plus B square means 1 square and 2AB, clear until here? Clear? Now we applied the formula, it's clear until here? Now next step, x square equals 1 plus root 2 square. What is root 2 square? Yes, it's 2. 1 square is 1 and minus 2 root 2. Multiply 2 into root 2 into 1. Okay. Now x square equals 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 2. But this is x square's value. X is remaining. X equals root over 4 minus 2 root 2. Correct? Now don't confuse between AC here and X. We have used X to denote AC here. Very important. So did we find AC now? What is AC? Root over 4 minus 2 root 2. We have found this. Now next thing. We have found all of this. What will be the next step that we have to do now? The next step that we have to do now is find out sine and cos according to the question. Okay. So formula of sine, everyone, P by H. It is also a very important formula and is to be kept in mind at all times. Okay. What is the perpendicular? Root 2 minus 1 and hypotenuse? Root 4 minus 2 root 2. This is for sine. I'll write for cos there. Cos now. Formula of cos. base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Okay? Here, base by hypotenuse, what is the base? Base is 1. And the hypotenuse? Root 4 minus 2 root 2. Clear until here? Now, what does the question ask us to derive, or what does the question ask us to prove? The question is asking us that if sine A into cos A will equal to this, we have to prove this statement. Okay? We will first of all note down the question. Sine A into cos A equals 1 by 2 root 2. Value, sine B value. The value of sine is root 2 minus 1. Sine A value is root 2 minus 1 by root over 4 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by this one dot is used to denote multiplication. Okay? So do not confuse with that as well. Pardon me. 1 by root over 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay? This will equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Now please remember that whenever you are doing an equation, always write the LHS and the RHS parallelly. Okay? So this is when we put the values. Okay? When we multiply these, it's pretty easy multiplication. Root 2 minus 1 by, see, now whenever we multiply root and root, when we are multiplying these two values, it's basically getting squared here. So, will the root and root get cut or no? It will get cut. Okay? This is a common error that people make. Make sure you don't be one of them. Okay? So, this is what we are left with. Equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? Now, we have to take the common. Okay? The first one remains the same, root 2 minus 1. But the second one, we are going to take common and simplify it. Understood? 2 root 2. Now, if you want to get 4, what do we multiply 2 root 2 with? Yes, root 2. Okay? Root 2 and 2 root 2. So, 2 root 2 into 1 will equal to this. This is what we'll get when we take common, and of coursingly the right hand side. Correct? Now, what happens? This one gets cut off, this one gets cut off. So, we are left with 1 by 2 root 2 equals 1 by 2 root 2. So, LHS equals RHS. Hence, proved. So, was it easy or not? Well, do write it in the comments if you found the question easy. Did you find the answer, or do you have any doubts? I'm always free to entertain your doubts. Please comment if you have any doubts, and I'll be sure to make videos on that so that everyone can understand them. Okay? If you like my videos and if you like the way I explain them, please do subscribe to my channel and encourage me. Bye. We'll meet you in the next episode.